Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW X6 in Forza Horizon 5. Go to the auto show, search BMW X6, set filter to SUV, and buy or bid in the auction house when available. If the car is not listed, check Forzathon Shop, Wheel Spins, or Mastery Rewards for opportunities to unlock or win it. Save the car to your garage and mark it as a favorite to find it quickly Finding the BMW X6 is easier than it seems, and I'll walk you through the best spots. Check the auto show daily and watch auction house listings closely for sudden appearances. Visit car meets and join clubs to find players who trade or sell the X6. Use wheel spins and the Forzathon Shop as additional chances, and remember to use filters to speed up searching during play sessions for rare finds. Once you spot a BMW X6, act fast and use these tips to secure it without stress. Prepare credits in advance, set auto show restock alerts, and join clubs for trade opportunities. Practice sensible bidding in the auction house and always confirm garage space before confirming a purchase. Customize and save builds so you can enjoy the car right away, and use session resets to try searches again if needed, and enjoy the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.